This individual, who was 9 years old at the time, was taken to an audition in New York City with Bad Boy Records. All of them were trying to land a record deal. All of them were minors. This individual was sexually abused, allegedly, by Sean Combs and several other people at the studio in the promise to both his parents and to him himself of getting a record deal. Another minor told, allegedly by Sean Combs, that he would make him a star, but he needed to visit with him in private about it, away from his parents. Mr. Combs made the victim perform oral sex upon him. In the presence of Mr. Combs, female individual, minor, was raped, and then other individuals took turns raping her. Was given one drink in the SUV and then literally woke up the next day not knowing what had happened, but with pain and damage to both her vagina and her anus.